The average person, when they go to visit apple.com, they have literally no clue of what they're looking at. I've had people who have purchased Macs just this year alone and have come back to me and say, my Mac's slow. Well, how much storage do you have left in it? And if you don't have enough storage, your Mac's going to run slow, obviously. So you want to make sure that you focus in on the storage. Most people think that if I just continue to clog up my hard drive space, that one day I'm going to just be able to go and turn on my Mac and continue to use my Mac like normal. You have to keep about a maintenance of your Mac computer. It's very important. Maintenance means you got to make sure that you know how much storage space is in your Mac computer from week to week. If you get a chance, please click the link below. I have a Mac mini ebook that's an ultimate buying guide that pretty much goes in a little bit deeper than this video. It's only $5.99, and it has all of the information. I really wanted to have something that you could take with you, even to the store. You could show it to your Apple representative and say, well, this is what I'm looking for, and this is what I'm willing to spend. This ebook and this guide is going to help you. So if you purchase that today, I promise you, it's going to have the information that you need in order to correctly purchase whatever you're looking for. Now, I recently went on apple.com and I looked up the Mac Studio and what it would cost me to purchase a Mac Studio that was maxed out. I'd say, 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage space, maybe 10 core. Probably right around $2,700. Well, maybe about a year and a half ago, the Mac Mini M4 came out. And the Mac Mini M4 doesn't come with a screen or a keyboard or a mouse. So, you have to purchase those accessories separately. I went on Apple's website recently within the past 2 to 3 months, and I was able to pull up the same specs that I use for the Mac Studio with the Mac Mini M4. And the price only ended up being about $1,700. So you're almost talking about $1,000 difference. And I'm telling you guys, it's probably worth it for you all to look, especially you guys who are wanting to get into music production. If you're doing a lot of editing videos, if you're doing a lot of rendering files, it's just worth it for you to purchase what you need up front.